So hello guys, welcome back again. My Suzuki GT550. Today a little bit cold weather, you can see a little bit snow, but I focused on the chrome parts of the bike. Yeah, and I polished it, I cleaned it, and as you can see, the condition after 45 years after washing, I think is really good. I will show you what I used for the cleaning of the parts, but as you can see, lights, mirrors, front light, look, like new one. Just few hours of the work, of my work, and it is like new. What I used for it, I will show you. I used this one. Of German polierwatte. Just a minute. You can see it looks like this, but it really works. And what I changed, or what I need to change, is also the air filter, because I think this one is gone.